Good afternoon, this is Jake Easter at MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I want to walk you alongside this 290 SDX, and I just want to start first, second, and third phases of this boat. Starting off at the stern of the boat, you have your twin 250 Mercury Verado engines. You have your sun lounge, a great spot to sit and relax. Face the back side of this boat. Very big area, very comfortable, just to relax and enjoy time with friends and family. This boat also has a step on the port side of the boat for easy access for small children, or even pets for that matter. And making our way to the starboard side, you also have a step ladder on the starboard side, just for, again, easy access onto the boat. And there's plenty of times when you get out of the water and you need something to drink on hand. This boat has a feature as well. It has a nice size cooler just for any drinks you want to store right here, keep them cold, just so you're not walking all the way into the inside of this boat. And going into the second stage, I like to call, this boat has lots of seating. They call this Coliseum seating. You can sit several people very comfortably in this part of the boat. This boat also has a great spot to set up food, set up drinks, for entertainment as well. You have your sink. You also, this boat does come available with a refrigerator. This client just decided to put just extra storage. Making our way to the helm. On the port side, this seat also goes front and back for access to face the stern of the boat or face the bow. And I also want to point out too, this boat is equipped with a fairly good size head, just for changing clothes, just taking a quick out of a hot summer day. Turning to the helm, you have your Simrad display, Fusion stereo. This boat is equipped with joystick. Many people have been in the boating industry for a long time, know how to park a boat, but with this feature, your kids, grandkids can park this boat with no problem. And making our way to the bow of this boat finally. Again, a lot of seating comfortably. You can sit two people on each side. I'm 6'2", and I fit very comfortably. Brandon Bailey is another one of our guys here at MarineMax, 6'5". He fits very, very comfortably as well right here in this spot. This boat actually is featured with a windlass, stainless steel windlass. Great feature for anchoring down whenever you're stopped and wanting to take a break. This is Jake Easter again here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Be glad to have you out. Check out anything we may have. Thank you.